Hi guys, Faisal here. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 would have been one of the most high-profile phones of the year. But Samsung abruptly cancelled it, leaving Note devotees with only the Samsung Galaxy S21 range and foldable phones as an alternative if they wanted a new top-of-the-line phone. So will there be a Samsung Galaxy Note 22? While we don't know for sure yet. Given that the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 is not happening, it's impossible to predict whether or when the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 will be released. It will almost certainly be announced in the first half of the month and go on sale in the second half, as this is Samsung's typical pattern for the range. However, it's uncertain whether there will even be a Samsung Galaxy Note 22 since topless phones are not generally made by Samsung. The most recent news and leaks indicate there won't be one, with Samsung not renew the Galaxy Note trademark while it did so far of the Galaxy S, Galaxy Z, Galaxy M, and Galaxy A series. At least one source flatly stated that there will be no more Samsung Galaxy Note phone. Alternatively, according to the source, which thinks of the folding range as the Note Z, inside Samsung a future foldable could have Note branding. All of this said, no renew or trademark right now does not indicate that Samsung will never do so in the future, and the firm has previously stated that the Samsung Galaxy Note range is expected to continue in 2022. That assertion goes back before the two conflicting reports listed above, but it's direct from Samsung, which counts for a lot. Will be there a Samsung Galaxy Note 22? We'll have no idea, but with the Galaxy S and Galaxy 4 lines gaining support for the S Pen, the Note's main selling point may no longer be as appealing, implying that if there are any, the range days are most likely numbered. So if the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 does become available, how much will it cost? There are no price rumors yet given that it is so far from its expected release date, but it could retail for the same amount as the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 range. We don't know much about the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 right now, with all of the rumors and leaks focusing on whether or not it will even exist. However, if it comes out, there are a few things that we can be fairly certain about. For one thing, there will undoubtedly be an S Pen stylus included, unlike the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, which also includes stylus support, which is not the case of all Galaxy S and Z models. It is a key part of what makes a Samsung Galaxy Note phone. The Samsung Galaxy Note 22 will also utilize the best processor available in each market, with Qualcomm chipset prevalent in some areas and Exynos ones common in others. That's typically how it works for this range. Beyond that, it's possible that it will have an under-display camera given Samsung's recent implementation of one of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. But we are not so sure. It will almost certainly share a lot with Samsung Galaxy S22 when it launches, probably in January. Therefore, we will be able to say more once then.